In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom ratio in your report. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the report you're working on. Once you're in your report, you'll have to make a choice. You can either head to the data source editor to make the ratio available across the entire report, or if you only need the ratio in a specific spot, you can set it up directly within a chart. Now, if you decide to go to the data source editor, you'll want to look for the option that says plus ADD a field. It's pretty straightforward. On the other hand, if you're working directly within a chart, you'll see an option to plus add metric. From there, you'll choose Create Field. This step is crucial as it determines where your ratio is going to be used, so make sure you select what's best for your needs. Once you've managed that, you'll need to assign a clear and informative name to this new field. For instance, if you're calculating how much each click is costing you, calling it something like cost per click or CPC would be ideal. A name like this not only helps in identifying the field later, but also keeps your report organized and easy to understand. Now it's time for the actual calculation. In the formula box, enter your ratio calculation. If your data is aggregated, you might write something like sum cost sum clicks. However, if your data has unaggregated fields and you're comfortable relying on auto-aggregation, a simple cost clicks calculation should suffice. This choice hinges on the specifics of how your data is structured and whether you need aggregation for accurate totals. Next, you'll set the type of field you're creating to number. But if your ratio involves financial data, setting it to currency might be more appropriate. You can then format it as automatic to let the system handle it, or go for a custom number format. Maybe you want 2 decimal places. It's entirely up to you and what suits your dataset best. After making those selections, don't forget to click Save or Apply. This solidifies all your work and ensures that the new ratio metric is ready for use in charts. Now, when adding this newly created metric to your chart, take a moment to format it properly. If it's a cost-related metric, it might make sense to format it as $0. For a generic ratio, 0.00 could be more appropriate. These touches enhance the readability and professionalism of your report. Finally, to ensure everything is accurate, validate your results. Check a few rows manually to make sure that the calculated ratios make sense and align with your expectations. This very last step is a safeguard to ensure the integrity and reliability of your data analysis. And there you have it, the process of creating a custom ratio in your report. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.